Hello, welcome to our daily outlook. Today is Monday, March the 11th, starting with Bitcoin. Just like yesterday on our weekly outlook, we will be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Render for this week. Those are the coins that I'm keeping an eye on. On the weekly level, starting out great on Bitcoin. We are blasting past last week's weekly close. And I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart here just to take a look. So yesterday we called that there would likely be a quick dip to grab this liquidity down here, which it did perfectly. And the following candle after that was a huge green candle, pushing it all the way back up to the top, near the top of this channel here, which is very bullish. Going down to the hourly chart here, just taking a closer look at where it is in that channel. It's nearing the top of that one, but with how price action is and the time here that it's happening, market open for New York session is within the next few hours, or in the next couple of hours. So what's likely going to happen is we're going to make a higher push today to likely 75,000. We'll have to see how price action reacts once New York session opens. What we want to see is at open, it just blasts past all of these levels and then grind its way to 75,000, which at that point, some people will likely start to take some profits. So at the 75,000 level, we could highly likely see a move down. Move down to where though? I'm keeping an eye here at 69.9, close to 70,000. All the way down to here again, 67,000. Why here? Because after this flash crash, we never took that level back. We never saw it again. And we've been making higher highs arguably since then. Push down, higher high, push down, higher high, higher high. It wicked down to that level, but still above here. And yesterday we wicked down, but still above here. Still higher than this wick. Could we grab all of this liquidity from the wicks? We could. Could it be done after this move to 75? Possibly. So I'll be keeping an eye on there. This would be only for day trades from here up to 75,000 and a small amount. I wouldn't recommend. I don't think it would be a good idea going in heavy on this movement, even though it is highly likely to happen, because then it could just hit it and drop down very fast like this. Wicked it and dropped all the way down, 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 down. So that could happen. So keep a close eye on that and be ready. Over to Ethereum. This weekly candle is starting off pretty good, and we should be clearing this level here pretty quickly. After that, I do expect it to hit previous all-time highs sometime this week, especially with Bitcoin's price action. Going down to the 4-hour chart. Oh yeah, we grabbed that liquidity down here. Move up. And we're moving up strongly here, much similar to Bitcoin, which is expected. And with the push from Bitcoin all the way up to 75,000, this is likely going to move up as well. Solana, not past last week's high yet, but with Bitcoin's price action, we could grab this level here, 175, or even potentially this level here, 204. 204 probably unlikely. 175 probably much more likely. And then from here, we'll have to see what price action does, but it seems like Solana is just wanting to do a slow grind up to all-time highs. And from there, highly likely we drop back down to this support at 177, form a cup and handle. Going down to the 4-hour chart, let's see, we have 1 push, 2 push. Today is likely the 3rd push. And finally over to render. We are at all-time highs and slightly under last week's all-time highs. So we haven't hit that again. 4-hour chart. We did deviate from this channel slightly, mentioned yesterday in the weekly outlook. We reclaimed it pretty much right away. Now we're coming back down to test it. So we'll see how that holds. If that does hold, I'm expecting another leg up, and this could be, let's see, how many pushes is that? 1, 2, this is likely the 3rd and final push. So even though we do have the AI convention coming up next week or on the 18th, this 3rd leg could be it, and we just chop around from there. So that's it. Good luck.